Hey everybody, we're going to be looking at solving for radius or diameter when given the circumference. It's going to work a lot like yesterday, except we'll work a little bit backwards. So we're given a circle here that has a circumference of 56 and 52 hundredths centimeters, and we are asked to find the radius. The first thing I'm going to do is write out my equation. Circumference is equal to, and I'm going to use 2 pi r because I want the radius, not the diameter. 2 pi r. Now I just substitute in the values that I already know. So circumference is 56.52. And we've got 2 and pi already. And r. All right, so now we can combine like terms. I'm going to use 3.14 for pi. And that means that this is 6.28 times the radius. And this is just a one-step equation now. I just need to divide both sides by 6.28. And I end up with 9. My radius is equal to 9 centimeters. Here we are given a circle with the diameter labeled and a circumference of 15.7. So I will use the formula circumference equals pi times diameter. And I don't know the diameter, we're going to solve for that, but I do know the circumference is 15 and 7/10. And I don't have any like terms to combine, so I'm just going to divide both sides by pi. And I will use 3.14 for pi. When I do that, I end up with 5 equals diameter. So I know that this here is 5 inches. Here is a slightly different problem. We are told that the circumference is 48 pi centimeters, and we're being asked to find the diameter. So, I'm sorry, the radius. So let's go back to our formula. We're looking for the radius, so circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. I know my circumference is 48 pi. All right, so then they gave me pi right here. So let's just do this. Let's make it easy on ourselves. We know that we're eventually going to divide by pi. Let's divide both sides by pi. So pi divided by pi is 1, so we end up with 48 on this side. And then pi divided by pi is 1, so we end up with 2 times r on this side. And then you just divide by 2. So we end up with r is equal to 24 centimeters. I'll do one more just to make sure it really sticks. We have circumference is equal to 24 pi meters, and we need to find our radius. So circumference equals 2 pi r. Circumference is 24 pi. And I could even just right now divide both sides by 2 pi. If you want to take it step by step and divide by pi and then divide by 2, that's fine too. That's your choice. But I know that pi divided by pi is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I'm left with 24 divided by 2 is 12 meters equals my radius. I hope that was pretty clear to you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know.